Hello everyone, please welcome and join me in Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very easy recipe and it's going to be delicious and very tasty. I'm going to make potato wedges. These are large jumbo sized potatoes. I have 6 of these. I'm going to keep the skin on. I'm going to wash it with cold water. What I have done, I washed with the cold water and just cut it right in the middle. Just like this big size, big jumbo. And we're going to cook these, no deep fry, I'm going to cook them in air fryer. Within 20 minutes, they will be ready. And good thing is, when you're going to eat it, and you're going to enjoy it. And once you're going to enjoy eating those, and you're going to keep making them. I'm almost done cutting the potatoes. So these are big pieces like this. I'm going to get a big mixing bowl. I'll place it in. I'm going to use the spices. Salt is always according to taste, but I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. Sprinkle all over, and black pepper. You can add any other spices. These are the 2 most important ingredients what we need. And then I'm going to use parsley flakes. That would be 2 teaspoons. As I mentioned earlier, this is going to be oil-free. But as a tip, I wanted to share with you, when we are cooking in the air fryer, they tend to stick together because of the starch. Regardless you wash them or not, they're going to stick together. So what I will suggest, very little amount of olive oil, like a half teaspoon. Just this much, not too much. So after adding a half teaspoon, I'm just going to mix it. Only reason I added that little oil, that's going to make a barrier against each fries so they won't stick together. You can toss it or whatever you prefer, but as a personal hygiene, first of all, your hands should be really nice and clean. And I always prefer mixing them with the hand. As you can see, all pieces are nicely coated and there is not much oil, very little amount. If my hands are wet, that's because of the water, because we washed the potatoes. So this is all we need. This is it. So after mixing it well, now I'm going to use the air fryer. When we're going to use the air fryer, I'm going to cook it for 18 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll bring the fryer, I'll open it, I'll bring all the fries, just like this. As you can see it. Now we're going to put it in. Once we close it, we're going to put the electrical. We're going to start it, set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As for the timing, 18 minutes. Within 18 minutes, it will be all done and ready. Now it's going to start. It's already started, as you can hear the noise. After 18 minutes, we're going to come back. It's almost done. Within 18 minutes, our potato wedges will be ready. Wow. It's already beeping. I'm going to open it. You can let it rest 1 or 2 minutes inside. It's not going to harm anything. I have my plate ready. Unplug it. Wow. Steaming hot. This is the tip I was sharing with you. The half teaspoon oil. Because if we do it, look at this. Here's the crunch. And we're going to place it. Perfect. Look at our potato wedges are ready. They're hot. Look at the texture. So nice. If I break it, ooh, steamy, hot, nicely, fully cooked. They are really creamy. Very tasty. Hot. I'm not kidding. These are really good. This is really better than deep frying. Please try it and the kids will love it. Let me close in. Quick and easy, oilless potato wedges or potato fries are ready. Please try it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.